Today we are going to solve this tricky T puzzle. This is a little bit interesting. So here let us see how to solve this. Let us solve this one. This is little bit tricky, but it is really a brain teaser. You try once. I will explain how to solve it at the end of the video. Stick to the video. It is available in Sagar Supermarket, Dasnapur, just for 54 rupees. Time pass purpose, it is a good puzzle. There are two sides of box A and B with the given 4 T's. You can arrange them on side A easily. Now try to arrange them on side B. It looks impossible, but it is possible. Let us see how to solve. Here we have 4 T's, 4 different colors given here. So here we have side A and side B. So let us arrange them on side A. On side A we can arrange in this manner. It is very easy to arrange. Now let us try to arrange on side B. So here whenever we are trying to arrange on side B, it is little bit complicated. See here I am trying to arrange, but here I am unable to get the solution. But here we have only one tricky solution. Let us see how to solve it. It is a really a brain teaser, which is very good. So I am showing you the solution at the end of the video. Stick to the video. Subscribe first. Now let us see the solution. So we have to arrange this T in a slopy manner, one below the another one. So if you solve like this, we will get the solution. This is the solution.